Traders, welcome to this amazing segment of weekly forex market analysis, forex trading strategy, and forex trading education. And on this particular content, guys, we'll be analyzing the Aud Cad pair, right? And for the Aud Cad pair, guys, we'll be using a moving average strategy and technique. We'll also be using a demand and supply trading approach to analyze the market, and also a Fibonacci retracement tool for confirmation. So guys, if you like the idea, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this content, and comment below your favorite trading pair and also your own trade sentiment for the Aud Cad pair. So guys, in this content also, it's a high time frame analysis, so we'll just be taking cognizance of the monthly chart, the weekly chart, and the daily chart, and if time permits, the 4-hour chart to build our sentimental bias for the Aud Cad pair. Okay, so right here, guys, on the monthly chart, we can deduce that this pair, on the monthly chart, guys, Aud Cad has pretty much been bearish for some time, but it has come into a zone of interest, right? So guys, here we'll just be highlighting the supply and demand zones and giving you reasons why those zones are in fact very valid. Okay, so on the monthly chart, guys, we have demand zone that was created sometime around March 2020, and we can see price actually coming close to that zone and forming another demand zone right here. You can see a demand zone being formed right here, right, with an impulsive move of price to the upside. Okay, now to confirm this, guys, to confirm what happened here, to correlate with our Fibonacci retracement tool, which we have explained in our previous content how we use the Fibonacci retracement tool, because we want to see price react around sensitive levels like the 61.8, the 38.0, 50 fib level, and the 79 fib level for optimal trade entry. Okay, so if we place this here, let me confirm if this is, it's at the, okay, good. So if we place it at the 100, right, and then we take the price high enough from 100 here, the base, okay, and we want to drag price to the highest swing. Okay, now what we see here is this. What we see here, see where the price is, just few pips, but price is actually reacting to what price reacted to the 61.8 fib level, and we can see this reaction to the upside, okay, on the monthly chart, showing that the price is actually tapped into the demand zone, right, the 61.8 fib level, right, after this previous swing. Now recall that after this movement, guys, price made a very impulsive move to the upside, this bullish move. Okay, so on the Aud Cad, we're actually preparing our mind to perhaps buy, because we want to see price maybe react to what the next resistance level, which is 38, right, somewhere around the 9250 level. Okay, so on the monthly chart, the price is suggesting that we can actually look for buys in the market for now. Okay, so let's go on to the weekly chart and see what we can find there. So guys, this is the weekly chart, and on the weekly chart, guys, we have our moving average configuration to be the exponential moving average 20, which, guys, we've been using for months, for as long as this channel has been. Okay, so on the weekly chart, guys, as always from my previous analysis, what we see here is the candle, the weekly candle, the price breaking and closing above the moving average. Okay, so this also confirms the buyers that, hey, there's bullish momentum in the market, and we can as well seek to buy the market. Okay, now from the weekly chart, guys, what we see here is this: price has actually broken this level, right, this swing here. Price broke this swing, but price has also broken back into, the trend, right, into the trend to the upside. Okay, so from there on the weekly chart, guys, this is what we can denote from the chart, right, from the chart here. From this level, guys, there was an impulsive move. If we look, there's an impulsive bullish move somewhere around here, still forming an area of demand, just right here. Okay, and from here we saw price actually making its way to the upside. Okay, and if you actually we want to look here, we can also see another impulsive move. After this, we saw another impulsive move somewhere around here, which could also make this area an area of interest, right? This area here an area of interest for price to actually come back in, pick up liquidity, and move to the upside. Okay, then if we actually look at the previous swings, we'll have to come down to the daily time frame. Already on the weekly chart too, we're seeing this moving average confirmation here that it's actually a right time to buy. However, guys, on the weekly chart, I want to spot our interest, a level of interest per take profit level. Now, for the monthly chart, guys, we've actually seen that we can take our profit level at the 38.0 fib level, but let's see. Okay, this is coming from the upside. This is actually the highest swing that the price has made. So to see if we can find a take profit level, so we can see price has made above this. This is the 38.8, which is around for the weekly chart though, but we can see price tap into this level because if we look at the chart here, there was a demand zone somewhere around, the supply zone rather, somewhere around here after this price made a move. So we can some way make here to be a take profit level. We can actually look to take profit somewhere around here, right? The 38, which is the price here is 21.2128, or somewhere around here could actually be cool, or the 93 points, right? That's if you want to hold to that time. But then let's still find out what will be our entry measures, right, for this particular pair. Now, if we come down to the 4-hour chart, okay, so right here we are on the 4-hour, guys, but please ignore this moving average, okay, because this moving average is still showing 20 from our sentiment on from the weekly chart. So guys, what we see here, we see that same impulsive move. Now if you look at the 4-hour chart, guys, this is what we can see right here. Price has been making smaller moves to the upside. Price has broken this major swing, right? This major swing. Price has broken this level, right? And also come back to test where after this level we'll see a little retracement here, and price still making its way to the upside. I won't be going into details on how we could find entries around here. Perhaps that will be in a different content. Okay, so we just want to wrap it up here by word. We want to draw the latest swing just like we did, right? See here, if you look here, this is another impulsive move, right? This is in fact the most recent impulsive move to the upside after that. So there is a demand zone somewhere around here. So see where we can plot our areas of interest and see how this price will react to it the coming week. Okay, so if we plot this up to this way down here, right, now we have our trading range from this impulsive move to the upside to where the price is currently. So what, guys, I want to see from this chart is quite basic. Let me make this way so I will know that I'm in control. Okay, all right, moving into a new week, I will be looking at a move like this, right? From this point here, showing that this is an impulsive move, I want to see price either come down here to this level. I want to see price come at least to the 61.8, and if we look at the 61.8 level or the 79.8 level, we'll be seeing some significant prices close to the 90, right? Somewhere around here won't be bad. If we see price come down to the 50 level, 61 level, or the 79, some kind of maybe a pin buy, a reaction around here, around these levels would give me an entry to actually go bullish. However, let's see the price levels around here. Okay, now if we look at the weekly chart from here, there are some round numbers that could actually give us some imprints as to where to look for the entry. See, somewhere around the 61.8 we have good. Around the 61.8 level we have 9012, 9000, just somewhere around here. So if price actually comes down, to this point, right? If price actually comes down to this point next week, it could signify a very good entry. Let me change the color to red. Okay, and then I want to see this price actually react here to take price higher to where 0.27 is actually a cool one. Sorry guys, I'm using my phone. So the minus 0.27 level. So guys, just stick to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and stick to the channel. So I'll tell you exactly how we use these reference levels as take profit and all. Okay, now if we actually look, now this is kind of our entry where we're looking at for the trade to see trading opportunities, guys. Okay, to find trading opportunities for the Aud Cad pair. Okay, now let me remove this, so to see how we want to actually match this with the higher time frame swing or the swing in the trend. Okay, now if we place this here and we place this to the preview to the next one, from this swing right here, right, to this swing, right, to where the price is, the last swing down here. Okay, we'll see that the price has not even approached the 79. So somewhere price will actually get off the market and the price gets to the 79 before it maybe considers coming downwards again, right, to move in the existing trend. That is if this structure is not broken for price to make a reversal. But from here to here could actually give us a very good trade, risk to reward, profit trade. And we can actually trade here if we see some signs to actually come down, because definitely, after this impulsive move, after this kind of impulsive move here, there's a tendency that price may consolidate, drive lower a little bit before continuing in the trend, or before continuing the trend for the reversal, right? Because price may not just after this move make another move to the upside again, just like you see here. After this impulsive move, you can see price making a retracement down here, and price makes a higher price before it came down. So guys, as sentimental buyers, guys, for the Aud Cad long term, on the mid-term, guys, it's quite bullish. We're quite bullish right now. However, scenarios in the market could present selling opportunities and buying opportunities on the lower time frame perspective. Okay, so guys, that's all for now till we meet again.